This function for this one total cost 267, or the total distance, sorry. And then for chromosome number 2, so the distance between B and E, B maybe he starts from B 27 to E is 27 plus, then go to A, from E to A will be 27, whether to go from here this path, or to go from this path, or to go from this path. So which one is the lowest? If this one is 24, this one 30 plus 20, 27, it will be 57. Okay, so if this one 24 plus this one is also 27 plus 24, what will be here? This one is 37. Sorry, this is 37. 24 is more than this one. Okay, so I will pick up, even if I select this one here, there is 40, here there is 60 before this, so this is the shortest, so it will be 57 plus 27 plus 30. Okay, to go to A, then from A to key. So what is the distance from A to key, whether this distance or this distance or another path? So this is the shortest, let's say 24 plus 25 plus 18. So this one is for to be in K. So from K to L is 18 plus, and then L to H, you have to add 43 plus, whether to add this one or this one. So which one looks lower, which is this one, which is will be 50, 60. Here almost more than 60, so this is the shortest, so it will be 43 plus 17. You can see here, because this one travel salesman have a problem of there is no path, direct path, okay, because you select random city to become after the sequence. If you don't want to fail in this one, you have to guide your algorithm to create a chromosome based on guidance. Okay, like as I said, if I am in A, then what is the next state, whether to have B or C? Then what if you are in C, what is the next state, I or F? If you are in K, it will be this one or this one. But that one also you will face another problem. If you reach to this node, then if you come here, so how you go to this node, then you have to check again. So I am now already reached to from K to L, L to H. Okay, I'm now in H. I will go to J. J is here. So whether to go through this path or to go back this path and reach here. So this one I think is the lowest, because here 60 plus 16, so it will be 76. So if this one, it will 40, 64. So plus 64, which is 22 plus 18 plus 24. So what is also then from J to D, we have to go to this one. If you go through this path or this path, which one is the lowest? If you go here from J, if you go from 40, this one becomes 40 more, this is 60, 64, and plus 20, 84. Okay, 86. If you go from here, 24 plus 20, so this one is 40, 64 plus 20, so it will be 84, which is the lowest, 84. So here 24 plus 18 plus 22 plus 20. Okay, then you already now end D, which is here. Now you have to go to C. C, maybe from D to C, which one is the lowest? If you go through this path, 50, it will be 74. If you go through this path, which is, yeah, because here is more, so it will 20, 27, here 47, 47, 47 plus this one become 60 something, so it will be 70 something more. So I think this one is the lowest. Okay, so which is 50, 74. So it will be plus here to add 20 plus 30 plus 24. So this one is the second chromosome. Now I reach to C. Okay, from C to G, from C to G, then you have to go which path to go to G. So 19 plus 18 plus 22 plus this one or this path. So you have to select the shortest path first. 19 plus 18 plus 22 plus 17. Now you are already in node G. So in G, what is the next node? I. So its I is here. You to go from here. This is the shortest. If you go from here, it will be longest. So 43 plus 18 plus 18. 43 plus 18 plus 18. Then to reach to the last city in this chromosome, which is F, from I think this is the this is 25, 19, and then here it will be 25 plus 25 plus 19. So that this is the path or the distance to reach from. So it will be 633. 633. Now in this chromosome number 3, which is also picked each gene by random selection among all these nodes. You have only these nodes, so maybe he start from city or node C, then he go to G, he picked G because it's random. So from C to G, it's from C to G, it's this one. I think this is the shortest, 19. Add to 18, add to 22, plus 17. From C to B in G, this is the distance. Then now you are in G, you have to go to F. F is here, you have to go back here. You can see here, if this one genetic algorithm is genius or human, he know that he will go from C through F to go to G. So he will have to stop here and then to stop here and stop here. But this is this computer, he don't know that is the he will stop in F. There is no condition given. Then you have, if you want to make it like human, that can think, this is the node can go through. So that is why it's human is more intelligent. Or you can create the code, but the code will be more complicated. You have more rules, more conditions to be added. So if you just use the genetic algorithm as it is, he will check that, okay, he's in C, he will go to J, this is the distance. He don't think about what is the cities. Then now he's in J, he have to go back to the F. So he will sum also again this 17 plus 22 plus 18. Because this problem here have a sequence of cities, cannot select out of the cities. Okay, so now we are in F. I want to go to J, maybe go J only 24 here by random selection. J is next to the K. L, go to 16 to be an L, and then to visit L, and to visit after that maybe K. So you can see here whether go here or this way. So if he go K, so then he go yes, then how to go back to J. Okay, so K from L to K is 18, plus from K to I is 18, plus from I to E. So I is in I, then he have to go to E. So 25, because C he already visit. He cannot visit again C, so he have jump to E. Then whether to select any one of these not been visited. So I plus 25, 19, 18. So you will have a 25 plus 19 plus 18. Then he is now in the node E. In the node E, whether